Mimamsa. As the year is fast approaching its close, things are heating up in the Korean entertainment industry, from gossips to controversies and scandals, and from BTS, Billboard, and Golden Globes. Here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. BTS leader RM issued an apology for the things he confessed during a Weverse live about disbandment and a subtle remark on Jungkook's ongoing dating controversy with aespa member Winter. Take a look.
BTS member RM's recent explosive confessions during a live interaction with fans blew up the internet. Namjoon, talking about the burdens of being the band's leader, thoughts about disbandment, and how he seemingly looked frustrated with the issues lingering the group. He also subtly reacted to Jungkook's dating scandal with aespa member Winter, where many believed he gave a gentle affirmation to their relationship. Amid an online debate with many netizens expressing unhappiness over RM allegedly spoiling the dignity of the group, the leader later issued an apology. RM's apology received support from ARMY, who stood strongly for the rapper and cheered for him.
Meanwhile, aespa member Winter's agency SM Entertainment issued a warning against malicious online posts and sexual harassment in the light of a dating controversy with BTS member Jungkook.
SM Entertainment issued a statement which many saw as a reaction from Winter around the controversy. It comes as both Big Hit Music and SM preferred a no-comment stance over the trouble that has engulfed the internet for both the idols. SM Entertainment strongly warned against malicious online posts targeting Winter. It announced legal action against defamation, sexual harassment, and fabricated rumors circulating in the name of her. Trouble erupted recently when some evidence surfaced that claimed BTS member Jungkook and Winter were dating. One evidence stated that the two idols had the same tattoo on their arms.
There's a bright chance for Korean content at the Golden Globes. Stakes are running high after No Other Choice and K-pop Demon Hunters received multiple nominations.
Two Korean titles, Park Chan-wook's No Other Choice and Netflix's animated feature K-pop Demon Hunters, have each grabbed 3 nominations for the 2026 Golden Globe Awards. This marks one of the strongest showings yet for Korean cinema and animation at the Hollywood ceremony. No Other Choice was shortlisted for Best Motion Picture, Music or Comedy, and Best Motion Picture, Non-English Language. Lee Byung-hun, the lead actor of No Other Choice, was nominated for Best Actor in a Motion Picture, Music or Comedy. Meanwhile, K-pop Demon Hunters received a nomination for Best Motion Picture Animated, Best Original Song, and the newly established Box Office Achievement Award, reflecting its strong global streaming performance.
It was a bright year for K-pop. Billboard released its 2025 year-end charts, and we weren't surprised to see Grammy-nominated titles like APT by Rosé and Bruno Mars and K-pop Demon Hunters soundtrack ruling the rankings.
Billboard has released its 2025 year-end charts. APT secured a remarkable number 9 on the Hot 100, along with topping the Global 200 and Global Exclusive US charts. Closely following APT is K-pop Demon Hunters. After creating history with 5 Grammy nominations this year, its fictional band Huntrix's track Golden landed at number 25 on Hot 100, followed by Saja Boy's song Your Idol at number 54. Its other tracks Soda Pop, How It's Done, What It Sounds Like, and Takedown all found their way through Billboard too. Meanwhile, Jimin became the only BTS member and K-pop soloist to appear on the year-end Hot 100 with his single Who ranking at number 57. Stray Kids appeared with 2 albums on the list. Karma acquired number 128 and Hop was number 157. Cat's Eye's Beautiful Chaos landed at number 182.
BTS member Suga gave a special video message with children performing at the Shining Minds concert, and his clip left fans highly emotional.
The Shining Minds concert is part of Suga's music program for autistic children at Severance Hospital, where he helped with 5 billion Korean won donation. Suga left fans thrilled as he made an appearance in a special video message for the children performing at the event. The hospital established the Min Yoongi Treatment Center to honor his efforts. On December 9th, it held its first concert at Yonsei University to give children from the MIND program a platform to publicly perform for the first time. Suga is said to have personally attended sessions to aid the children by launching the music program and teaching them music in person. As per reports, the concert featured Suga Crew, the live band from his August D tour D-Day.
Imagine this: Blackpink's Lisa, BTS member J-Hope, and Stray Kids singer Felix all in a single frame. The trio attended a fashion event recently and their pictures broke the internet in no time. Check it out.
In a union that nobody saw coming, Lisa, J-Hope and Felix came together for epic clicks that left the fandom of their respective K-pop groups Blackpink, BTS and Stray Kids freaking out. The three artists attended a Louis Vuitton event in Seoul as its global ambassadors, with each one oozing substance and style. In fact, their interactions on stage and cameras became a hot topic on social media. The trio might be yet to collaborate professionally, but the event surely ensured fans got a sneak peek into the comfort they'd share even if they planned to.
Hak Na Ray's ongoing clash with her former managers has been pushed to such limits that the comedian has now announced a temporary hiatus from the entertainment industry. Here's a report.
Hak Na Ray's former managers recently filed criminal charges against the TV star for workplace harassment, aggravated assault and unpaid production expenses. The managers accused Park of abuse and exploitation, putting the agency under massive public scrutiny. Park also got suspected of paying salaries to her ex-boyfriend and family members while underpaying her actual employees. As per reports, Park is said to have used the company's costs for illegal medical services too, under another trouble, the injection aunt scandal. In the light of the trouble, Park issued an apology and announced a temporary hiatus from the entertainment industry, along with withdrawing from several television shows, including I Live Alone, Where Is My Home, and Amazing Saturday.
The 10th edition of Asia Artist Awards 2025 announced its winners this week. Stray Kids, IU and Ivy emerged as the top winners. Take a look.
The 10th Asia Artist Awards turned into a huge celebration of Asian entertainment in Taiwan. It honored achievements across music and acting. Stray Kids secured Artist of the Year Daesang in the singer category, along with Album of the Year for Karma and Best K-pop Record. Ivy claimed Song of the Year Daesang for Rebel Heart, while member Jang Wo-young collected 3 individual awards. IU collected 6 awards across both acting and music categories, the most by any individual artist. It included Artist of the Year Daesang for Actor, Best Actress of the Year OTT for When Life Gives You Tangerines, Best Couple with co-star Park Bo-gum, AAA Fabulous, AAA 10 Legendary Solo Female and Hot Trend Award. Over 3 million fans worldwide engaged with voting and live streams across platforms. Ivy's Jang Wo-young returned as MC for the 5th consecutive year along with actor Lee Jun-ho.
Actor Cho Ji-woong announced his retirement from the industry due to his past misconduct. His agency confirmed the news through a statement.
Actor Cho Jin-woong said he will retire from acting entirely after partially admitting to allegations of crimes committed when he was a minor. Cho allegedly committed multiple offences when he was in high school in 1994, including sexual assault and theft, for which he was even sent to a juvenile detention facility. On December 6th, Cho released a statement through his agency Saram Entertainment apologizing to his supporters. He said he accepted all reprimands and would be suspending all activities and retiring as an actor.
Can this love be translated? Well, I'm not asking this. The much awaited K-drama is almost here. It announced its release date recently and it might just open your 2026 calendar. Take a look.
Netflix released the first official poster of the highly awaited K-drama Can This Love Be Translated, along with its release date. Starring beloved actors Kim Son-ho and Go Young-jun, it has been written by renowned Hong sisters. The rom-com follows interpreter Joo Ho-jin and top star Cha Moo-hee as their working relationship turns into a dangerous emotional entanglement. The series centers on Ho-jin's professional rule to stay neutral and invisible, which eventually collapses once he is assigned to Moo-hee and begins quietly altering her harsh, chaotic statements into softer versions that won't destroy her public image. As they travel the world, filming a TV show, their relationship grows. But as can happen when two people become more entangled, their feelings towards each other can become more difficult to understand. The show releases on January 16th, 2026.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.